Okay, I'll get right to the point with this video because I hate videos that take forever and show you all the whole process and everything when you really just want some simple information. Basically, I'm trying to fill these tires with foam to make them, run flats, no flats. Anyways, I bought the multi-purpose black, great stuff. Did it yesterday. It's been a day. This one, rock solid all around. This one was a success. I'll clean that up a little bit, maybe not much, because I like my scooters looking ugly so they don't get stolen in New York City. It's always a problem. Anyways, this one, it didn't, yeah, it's got a crack there now. This one didn't work so well. It's good. It's squishy all around. It's gonna run like it's flat already. What I did was drilled like 4 holes around, like 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. Took the core out of and put the hose through it. Somebody else on YouTube, said that's a good way to go. So did them both at the same. I did this one first, then this one. Then so one didn't work, one worked. This is gonna be rock. This one be beautiful when I put it on the scooter, and it's probably gonna last. So then I'm looking at the foam here. It's been a day, and I don't think it's gonna get any different. This has some flexibility to it, which is nice. It's pretty solid material. I was squeezing on this side, and then it felt like there was something really hard inside, so I broke it open, and it was like a geode inside. Look at that, it didn't quite, that's hard. That's hard right there. It's weird, right? It formed like that on the inside. This is some excess spray that came out. Anyways, so under 3-minute video talking about scooter tire wheels. These are off the Eco Ricos, the M5 Eco Ricos. Could it be an M3 or M5? But mine happens to be M5. Yeah, so I'm not so good at YouTube videos, but if you're still listening now, I don't care whether you subscribe or not. I don't care whether you like. I'm just putting this up here because I don't know. I'm bored. Later.